Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around update video for the 2016 66 Reg 435D M Sport Gran Coupe in black sapphire metallic. The vehicle previously featured had the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels on, however we've now updated the car with a set of brand new 20-inch 405M style alloys. So this will just be a short walk around video. If you do want to find out some more information on it, I will leave a link up in the top right hand corner and below in the description for a full walk around. The vehicle features a wide array of BMW options, including the full M Sport Plus package, alongside of course a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. In terms of the interior, it does come with a full black Dakota leather. Both drivers and passengers seats are heated, as well as the electric movement and memory. You'll see in the rear we've got a very spacious, very comfortable and a very clean and tidy Isofix rear bench there. And of course included in that M Sport Plus package is the sun protection glazing you can see on the rear windows. Heading round to the back of the car, we have opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and then the satin rear diffuser on this vehicle. Round onto the other side, again you'll be able to see that this is a very clean and tidy example of a 435D Gran Coupe. And as I mentioned, if you do want some more information on it, including all of the prices and funding options, you can check out the links I'll leave for you below in the description, along with the full walk around video. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this short stock update. Thank you, and we do of course hope to hear from you soon. Take care, bye bye.